In this video, I show you how to fix GCash has a stoplet app info close app problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, plate your GCash app. For doing this, go to Play Store, search for GCash. Now tap on GCash. Now update your GCash app, if available, any update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to Apps. Then go to See All Apps. Now find out GCash. Tap on GCash. Tap on Force Stop, then OK. Then tap on Storage, then Cache. Clear Cache. Then clear storage, then delete. Then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open GCash app. Now, I hope that this method fix GCash has stopped it problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Accept. Can see that GS is opening.